So we're looking at our SPD miscellaneous job page, and when you add a new job, it automatically creates a folder and a hyperlink to the folder where you can add your job information to it. I really like this whole auto generation of the folder when you create a new job. I think it's extremely helpful and a great idea that could be carried through a lot of different modules in the portal. So I just went to add a new project that I am going to be managing, and it's going through it all and filling out the job contact info and the number and the email, which really helped speed up the submittal process. And I really was thinking about it a little bit more, and whenever you go in to create a purchase order, you have to just get the email. So I thought it'd be great if you can map the folder for the project to the actual job itself when you add it to the portal. And to take it further, when you go in there and you go to create a purchase order, the folder would be mapped to it, and since it would be TOBrien would be the main thing that you'd be working through, your your purchase orders would go into the purchasing tab or folder, and when you click a new vendor and you generate the PO, it would automatically populate that folder and create a GlassFab folder and put the POs for GlassFab into that folder. So I don't have to move from my emails anymore, and it would automatically be stored there. Now, another step that happens when I do the POs, I have attachments, and I have to combine the PDFs into one PDF usually when I send it, because I don't like having multiple things flopping around. So I would like it if we could have the PDF exchange combine combine the attachments with the purchase order as the cover sheet. And just like we have the submittal database set up, where you have the job contact, it would be great if you could put a contact down in an email for your vendor, and that way as soon as you make your purchase order and you add your attachments to do everything else, it's complete, it'll prompt you to type in a little message or something, and it would automatically email your purchase order to your contact at GlassFab or whatever your vendor is. And I don't know if this would work for every vendor, but I think it would be a great idea if we could add it in so it worked with some of the more routine purchases, such as purchasing just interior glass or inventory material or anything that's pretty generic and standard that we buy through email. Some things I know I take a little bit more involvement and coordination, but overall I think this could help speed up some of the redundant purchasing tasks, and the same principle will probably be taken to all the different modules on the PM dashboard. I'd love to hear some feedback and any ideas of how we can make this reality or make it even a better idea. Think on it for me. Thanks.